Our ATV tours operate high in the Talkeetna Mountains up on Hatcher Pass, which is one of Alaska's best kept secrets. Our Hatcher Pass ATV tour is a little bit of everything that can take people who are brand new to off-roading all the way through more advanced riders and show them a good time. When you first check in, we're going to get you outfitted with all the gear you need, and then we're going to do a brief safety introduction to the machines and what you need to know about the type of terrain we're going to go on. We start off with nice and easy trails so people can get their feet under them, and we start gradually getting higher and higher up the mountain, doing river crossings, splashing through deep puddles, laughing the entire way up. And by the time you get to the very top of the mountain, with these fantastic views all around you, you're going to feel like a champ. Our tours are typically about 3.5 hours long. Sometimes we get a little carried away and we play a little bit longer than we should, but we all consider that good fun. Your guides are all lifelong Alaskans. They live in Alaska, they live in the backcountry, they know these machines and the trails like the back of their hands. We spend an extensive amount of time on training for risk management, for wilderness first aid, for all the eventualities, because your safety is our concern. We have several different types of machines you can choose to use. So no matter what the size your family is, whether it's large or small, we can accommodate you. Your tour is a guided tour, but you're driving your machines. This isn't somebody driving you along. We're going to work with you to build your skills so you feel comfortable on all types of the terrain we're going on. So by the end of this, even though there's some easy parts and some more technical parts, you feel like a pro. One of the things that sets our tours apart, it isn't just a road tour. This isn't just about the scenery. It's about the adventure you're going to experience the entire way along the trail. Our machines are going to get you right into the heart of the action. You get to feel the water on your face. You get to feel those cool mountain breezes from the very top of the pass. Our saying is if you're not getting dirty, are you really having any fun?